What's it like knowing that that wagon right there is worth more than both of your cars together?
Maybe this one.
What about that one? That one's the worst.
What does the worst mean?
The worst car ever made. That specific, not all of 2009
This guy hates
Wrangler.
on everything.
No, it's just your cars. It's not other 2009 Wranglers either. It's just that specific one.
It's not other Miatas. It's just this piece of shit.
Well, no, mine was pretty bad too.
Yeah, somehow this one was better. If you want to admit that. Hey! If I were to do that to one of your cars, you would have like tackled me. I'm just sitting here eating my food.
Your wrap is so damaged.
Oh yeah. Hey, you don't need to zoom in on it. As long as it looks decent and pictures, right?
Look at all those road chips. What's up, guys? Welcome to my 1994 Miata. That doesn't make sense. Okay, well, we're back in a new garage now with Sewell's Miata. Finally time to do maintenance on it.
Mm-hmm. I think I last changed the oil maybe 8,000 miles ago. Like, it's possible.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, oil change, brake fluid flush, and tightening the loose exhaust bolts.
Yeah, so I would say once every 3 months, the bolt from the catalytic, one of the bolts from the catalytic converter to, let's just call it the mid pipe, falls out, and then the gasket just hangs, and it just sounds like a straight up lawnmower. And that has happened again. It's that time, so.
It's called Loctite. Like the thing that I used on my Civic exhaust in the last video.
Yeah, but with Loctite, I'm always afraid that I'm never going to be able to undo that bolt.
First, you won't have that problem with a breaker bar or an impact gun. And second, I don't know what's second, but you should just use Loctite so that stops happening.
Maybe.
Because the exhaust leak sounds kind of dumb.
I just thought of a new issue. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to jack up this car right now. Well, actually, from the back I can, but from the front it's going to be hard.
You don't have wood ramps here? Oh.
I see a table right there. So
And
there's some plastic tables right there.
his mom's new house, so new garage, kind of. Everything's in boxes.
No, everything's empty.
Oh, those are empty boxes?
Yeah.
Says
You like
here.
how nicely I put them there?
Oh, he's smoking us out with his... His car is basically catalyst because the exhaust is disconnected.
Is that kind of loud? Oh, wow.
You smogged it out. I'm out of here.
I can kind of see it.
Since you don't have any wood, you can probably grab some of those leaves off that big tree, whatever, and you can probably stack those,
Just shut up.
and it might get the car high enough to almost fit the jack underneath. This guy out here stealing his mom's stepping stones from the garden just so he can get the little car off the ground.
It's a little bit ridiculous. But, like, I think these might work better than any plywood I've ever used. So that's cool.
Mikey, come here. Okay.
Yeah.
A little more. Go up like a few inches. Right there, right there. You did it. That jack that you bought from me is probably older than us.
Got your jack, got your dad's tools. I mean, they're kind of both your dad's tools, but
Yeah.
I kind of just inherit stuff slowly from you.
Yikes.
Yeah, if I had a thinner jack like yours, then I probably wouldn't have to get this car up in the air that much. Or if I just had air suspension, you know, that would solve a lot. Thank God, dude. I
What?
thought you know, the impact gun ones. I don't know what are these called, the sockets.
The deep sockets?
Yeah, I left. Hold on. No, we're good. I left the impact ones at my dad's.
You mean 1/2 inch or 3/8?
No, like the steel ones.
The deep ones?
But like the ones meant for like impact guns.
Okay.
No, the ones I normally use them then.
The 6-sided deep sockets?
Maybe. But we're good.
Ooh. Street Faction bash bar. Tested and approved.
So you're gonna tip forward on the jack stands. With my 3 bolts on each side.
Oh my god.
Just imagine this car super clean.
Imagine having
I think
spider
it'd
webs
be-
in your car.
There's spider webs in that car too.
Yeah, same with my 240. Didn't that... This filter used to match the paint of this car.
Yeah, I know. I tried cleaning it once and it didn't do anything.
Wait, Christian. Turn around, don't face the car. Or like, look at me. What color? Stop looking at the car. Stop looking at the car, look this way.
Okay.
Hold on. What color should brake fluid be when it's clean and new?
Probably not that color, but
It's
well,
like,
it's like a
generally
well,
yellowish.
it's like brown yellow kind of. But it's not. Well, okay, you can't even see it. You're looking through. Yes, it's obviously black. It's green.
Yeet. So engine oil is draining. We are gonna start bleeding.
That is some clean looking brake fluid.
Yeah.
It is like
Yeah, it's,
piss color.
yeah, I was about to say that's what you should look like urine.
More?
Just so the bottom of the straw on the bottle it touches the liquid. That's your only concern. Oh God. You almost spilled that. Yeah, it should be good. So we're gonna start. I actually don't know the order of Miatas, but generally you start with the caliper that's furthest away from the master cylinder. So if it's like a lot of other cars, we'll start with that one, the rear passenger, then the rear driver, then the front passenger, then the front driver. I'll just push the pedal while you're in there, while you're down under the car, working the valve.
Alright, so I'm closed right now. So you push it. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. So down.
Yep.
Okay. We're open. And I wait till it stops flowing.
Yeah, once the fluid stops coming out, close it. And then tell me to go up.
It's hard to tell if it's going or not.
Well, then close it.
Alright, close up. Down. Opening. Okay, yes.
Are there a lot of bubbles?
No, it's just straight. Oh, there's some. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna. Do I close it before you?
Close it, and then I go up.
Alright, close. Up. Alright, down. Opening. Alright, there's a lot of stuff.
Like fruit snacks
Lots of fruit snacks.
and rocks.
Lots of fruity pebbles. I'm gonna spill everywhere. No one even knows what's happening. Oh, I spilled. Thought this would be a no spill day. Do I really have to do this? No! I just heard it scrape against the cement. Dude, I can't. This is ridiculous.
What's the problem here?
What do you mean, what's the problem?
I'm just standing here filming.
Why are you holding that like that? This is ridiculous. This makes this so much more difficult than it has to be.
Can you just fill up your car with oil so we can get out of here?
That's what I'm doing. Stop! Stop!
Is it cold?
Yes. It's like an ice cube.
So, if you guys were ever wondering what inspired the song "The Box," it was actually Christian's Miata. Because if you sit in it and you take or you just like try pushing the clutch, I'll just show you guys. So you know how it goes. It's actually too dark. Let me.
What are you gonna do with my door?
Why does your door make that sound too?
Yeah. That song is just inspired by this.
Your neighbor's just like, what the fuck? He was actually looking at me.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy.
Alright, and so this is also the gasket that Christian was talking about since we're done with the oil change and the brake flush.
Hey, Spikey. Hey.
Oh.
Spikey. Hey, let's go.
So that right there, that is... I'm trying to film here, Christian.
There's $2 over there. I'm not about to go do that right now.
So that metal stuff hanging out is the remaining piece of Christian's exhaust gasket, and he doesn't have another one to replace it with. So
Well, no, I have two. The one that came from the car and that new one. I actually gave the other new one I had to you a while ago, but I just kept like going back and forth between them because they just kept getting more and more destroyed, and now finally this one's kind of.
you know they sell those gaskets at auto parts store.
That place didn't have any. I asked them.
They probably just didn't know what you were talking about.
No, they had me look it up on the computer because the lady didn't.
Well,
know.
it's not like a car specific thing. Like they wouldn't find it in the auto. It's a universal thing.
Well, when you typed in exhaust gasket, they had like the exact ones I needed. They were just out of all 5 different brands.
Oh, I know AutoZone usually has them. The Pep Boys by me, I'm pretty sure has them.
No, that was the one I went to.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, this is so crispy. Look. Dude, I can just hear it.
Yeah.
Fuck. Why does this shit happen?
Because you don't Loctite your bolts.
That's me.
Christian, are you serious right now?
What?
You have Loctite right there.
I know, I just said that. I'm gonna use it.
Wow, finally. Wait, you're gonna Loctite your exhaust when you don't have a gasket on it?
No, I'm gonna reuse the.
You're gonna reuse the non-existent gasket.
I don't have a choice right now.
And now you decide to Loctite it when
I mean,
you
I
shouldn't.
guess there is. Fuck, there is an AutoZone like pretty close by. Yeah, I should probably go there first. I mean, you don't think that's reusable?
I mean, you're a boomer.
I can like feel it just splitting apart. No, because what if AutoZone doesn't have one, then I have to reuse this.
Well, I would just run no gasket at that point. Like, there's literally no reason to add that back in.
There is some reason.
No. If you had silicone, that would do better than that.
Alright, but you said I can get this gasket from anywhere?
Yeah, they often have that. AutoZone sells vibrant gaskets too, which are good. Dude, silicone would do better than that gasket.
Scotch tape?
No, not that, but
Alright, well that's the plan.
just high temp silicone would do better sealing than that.
Yeah, well we're done here for now.
Alright, so right now it's actually Super Bowl Sunday. Like the Super Bowl is currently happening.
And us losers are working on our...
Like, look how dead everything is. It's so weird. Gasket successfully acquired.
Yes.
Maybe now your Miata can sound like a stock Miata.
Hopefully.
So you guys wanted high quality install videos. Well, here I am. So here we have this kind of bunk Tomei shift knob. And then I have this carbon fiber Spinnaker shift knob in my hand.
What are we doing?
Hey, you're busy. So I gotta do the installs while you're doing whatever you're doing.
Dude, that's not cool. I feel defeated. That was like the only thing that I was looking forward to today.
Alright, so first you gotta start by unthreading your original shift knob. Then you take it off. Then you grab your new one. And then you thread it on.
Does it thread on? Is it the right side?
Yeah. Hey, go away. I'm busy.
Ah, look at that. That's the most high quality part in this car.
I know, Spinnaker, man. They're carbon fiber.
Man, why do you get to do this?
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna have to figure that out now. How to.
Wait, how did the Tommy one?
It went down lower.
Oh.
Because the thread started higher in the knob.
Yeah.
Never mind, Spinnaker.
Motherfucker.
You heard it first. Spinnakers are motherfuckers.
I didn't say that.
I got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to